Welcome to the channel. On this episode, my brother is installing some Goldstrike products on his 2022 Goldwing. He's installing some new floorboards, a brake pedal cover that clamps over the brake pedal, and some inserts for the passenger floorboards to replace the rubber on top or whatever. They're all from Goldstrike. I'll have some links for these products in the description below. I am an affiliate with Goldstrike and Zero 3D, so if you click on the link and order from any of these links, there's no extra charge for you, but I will receive a little commission from any if you purchase from them. Just to let you know. No extra charge to you. Enjoy his video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. Give a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think of the Goldstrike products? And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
So I'm over here yet again. Purchased more parts for my Goldwing. I'm just installing a bunch of parts here on this particular day, making a couple of videos. My brother once again not here, so it'll be just me. Sorry. What do I have today? I have a whole bunch more Goldstrike stuff. I am doing the Goldstrike floorboards in black. I am doing the extended, basically brake foot pad, and then also have the matching rubber for the passenger pegs. The passenger pegs basically just replace the stock ones, which are perfectly fine. Just if they're down, I want them to look the same, and they're not that expensive. Brake thing basically just clamps onto this one, gives you more of a footprint, plus it makes it look the same. And I'm replacing the stock pegs with the Goldstrike floorboards. I'm okay with the pegs, but I would like to have a little more room. When you're cruising along, it would be nice to have a bigger board. I will get the stuff out of the boxes and then show you how I install them. These are the instructions for the passenger floorboard inserts. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, you just peel up. You peel up on the old ones, start in a corner, and just keep peeling. You'll hear like a popping as the things come out. You could use we could wipe it down with like a ammonia-based gas cleaner. It's basically just put a little bit on there. It'll help the new pegs to go, to squeeze in there. And that's basically it until you pop them all in. Make sure they're all lined up. I'll show you when I get these on there. Also wanted to show you a little comparison between the old and the new. So these are stock right here. Okay? And here is the new Goldstrike inserts. If you take a quick look at them, they are slightly bigger. What it is on the old ones, right? They just sat inside of there's like a little lip. Now on the Goldstrike one, there's a little overhang. So they actually don't have you touching the metal at all. You're always on the rubber. So you're not always on the metal casing here. So the Goldstrike sits on top of that too, which I think is a great idea. I mean, I don't believe you'll have a lot of vibration from it because the Goldwing doesn't really vibrate, but hey, every little bit helps. I'll show you what they look like when I get them on. So this is what they look like when they're on. Okay, as you can see, they do sit up on the edge a little bit. They almost feel like they're loose, but it's they kind of like shift around a little bit. And I kind of like that. So here's the instructions for the brake pedal cover. Pretty straightforward. As you can see, you just kind of sandwich the brake pedal in here, and there's 2 bolts that get put on, 7mm screws. So M4. So yeah, I'm gonna do that next, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So what they say is you just go just like that and do just like that. Okay. What they do suggest though is you put a little bit of thread locker. So I'm putting a little bit of blue Loctite on the threads. Let's get it started. When you do this, you kind of want to tighten up both sides at once in intervals. Make sure everything feels good. And that's that. That one's all done. See how it takes a look. And it gives you a much bigger footprint to get your foot on there too. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box, including the instructions for the floorboards with the adapters. Okay. The reason because I got the black ones and I got the black adapters. The reason I did that was, even though I have a blacked out bike, Honda thought it was a good idea to put on. Well, I don't have the adapter anyway, so I gotta have an adapter. Because this is all one with them. So basically I take this out, I put the new adapter on, I put the adapter on there first. So basically you just find when you get the adapter, it's marked with a R and a L, so it tells you which side they're on. And then basically what you need to do is there's a little cotter pin right there on the original. Try to save it. You can bend it out using a pair of needle nose pliers and a screwdriver and get it out of there. Just be careful your spring doesn't go flying. And then once you get that out, you use the spring and everything else. Basically put this back on, and I'll show you that when I get it back there. So I have the new one back on, the new adapter. Basically just put everything back together the way it was, with the new one in there, right? Basically, originally it was like this, which is all just one piece. Okay, I will do the same on the other side, and then get the actual floorboard itself. I got the adapters on, and then what you do is this can slide back and forth to give you 3 different positions. Okay. I think I'm going to do basically all the way back, which is right here. Okay, and you could also swivel it, but if you bring it forward, it gets a little too close to the brake pedal, I think. So I have big feet, so I'll think all the way back is going to be good for me. So let me go ahead and get this on there, and I will show you what it looks like when it's on. Alright, so I decided to go with the all the way back. It gives me the most, because I got such a big foot, it lets me have my foot out here, and I can also kind of go out the side. And I am going to get highway pegs that are going to come out here, so I don't need them forward, I just need this back here. I already see the improvement off of the pegs. One of the things I was concerned about was having too big of floorboards, and actually these are perfect. It allows me to keep my foot straight right here, and it's able to hit this a lot easier. Also, I can also have my foot crooked off the side here, which is really nice. I'm quite happy with these, other than the fact the mount I got over here is it was too thick. It looks like they put too much freaking black paint or rubber or whatever the hell it is that they coat it in. And I had a hell of a time getting it on. I might email the company and ask them if they'll send me another one. And then once I get it, I'll switch it out and send this broken one back to them. I'm not taking off right now. It is on. It just doesn't want to move very easy. See? So I might ask them to send me another one and I'll replace it once I get the new one and then send them back. But other than that, I'm really happy with these. And can't wait to get the highway pegs. All right, if you like that, go ahead and subscribe to his channel.
Okay, that was his video putting his Goldstrike floorboards on. A little update. He did get a hold of Goldstrike and they sent him a new floorboard. They didn't ask for him to send them back. He said just do whatever you want with it. They just sent him a whole new floorboard. So a little update on that. They corrected the problem and my brother is really ecstatic on how good those floorboards are. So if anyone's interested, Goldstrike is good company. Like I said before at the beginning of the video, there's links below if you're interested. So we'll see you next time.